Benefis Health System took in more than 240 Native American patients during the first wave of the COVID pandemic, and more than 40 of those people lost their lives to the virus. Benefis recognized those lives lost with black ribbons on this teepee outside of the North Tower as part of recognizing Indigenous Peoples Day. Indigenous Peoples Day celebrates and recognizes the groups of indigenous communities who have lived in North America for thousands of years. Last week, President Biden became the first U.S. president to formally recognize the day. Locally, it is being recognized on the Benefis campus with an empty teepee and ribbons to symbolize the indigenous lives the community has lost to the COVID pandemic. Benefis wanted to ensure the patients and their families had recognition to show support to them and indigenous workers at the hospital as well, who are grateful to Benefis for supporting and recognizing them on a day that is very important to them.
I think it's really cool of Benefis to recognize and commemorate the Native Americans that not only got sick with COVID, but that also lost their lives. I think that that's really amazing of Benefis. You know, the Native community was hit especially hard with COVID. It is great to work for a place that actually recognizes that and accommodates that and wants to commemorate that. I think that's wonderful.
Barbara Middlerider is a member of the Little Shell tribe and says her managers at the Native American Welcoming Center at Benefis played a big role in setting the teepee up and accommodating patients, and said she was overwhelmed with emotion when she saw it for the first time.
It overwhelmed me knowing that I see this every day. I see the loss. I hear about the loss. I deal with the families that have lost. The family is very important, and Benefis helps take care of them. Sometimes there's 10 people in a room, and Benefis lets those people be in the room because they know that that is their medicine to help them.
Indigenous Peoples Day is not yet a federally recognized holiday, but a bill in Congress is working to change that. It isn't federally recognized, but Indigenous Peoples Day continues to gain recognition in the state and across the country. In Great Falls, Asher Lynd, MTN News.